welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a real AF mommy morning routine. I am running on about 4.5 hours of sleep, and I woke up before Sydney and decided to start my day off in a productive manner, and I wanted to keep it as real as possible and as relatable as possible. I do not wake up looking put together. My hair is absolutely crazy. I have spots on my face. I just bags underneath my eyes because I worked late last night, and you know, I just wanted to keep it as real as possible. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like the series Moms Are People Too, and if you can totally relate to waking up looking like a dragon breathing fire. That's me. I would love to have you a part of my family. I do all kinds of lifestyle vlogs throughout the week as well. And let's jump into this mommy morning routine.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again.
So I don't think I went to bed until like 3 because of work and just not able to fall asleep, so dumb.
Stronger than I ever been. I would get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I would get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I can see everything clearer. Trying to fly 'cause I'm light as a feather. But I get high, I get low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again. I would get up again. Stronger than I am.
Okay, so even just straightening my hair makes me feel like a little bit more presentable. I am so exhausted because I worked last night and I didn't get home until, I don't know, it was like 12:30ish, whatever, and then I was unwinding in bed and then I couldn't fall asleep at all. I was tossing and turning. It was probably past 3 a.m. when I finally fell asleep, so I'm running on like 4.5 hours of sleep at most. But I'm pushing through, and I really don't want to go upstairs and do my makeup. Like, I just want to sit on the couch and watch TV and drink coffee. But I know if I do my makeup and sort of get ready for the day, I will feel a lot more energized and accomplished and like be able to do other things. So I'm gonna do my makeup. Sydney seems to be sleeping pretty hard right now, so I think I will be able to power through at least like some of this thing right here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm already feeling more awake in it. I haven't even done anything, so sometimes it's worth it.
So I usually start out with doing my eyebrows as far as makeup goes, because I feel like once you have some eyebrows on your face, you look a little bit more human-like. So I use my Anastasia Brow Wiz or brow definer as always, and then I either pop on some Pandora or watch some YouTube videos.
I'm walking down the street on clouds instead of the concrete I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way. Nothing can ruin my day, no matter what anyone does or say. I smile at fools. No, I don't care, cause I am on my way up, and I won't stop.
Even just eyebrows, you know? I heard Sydney's starting to stir, so I think she's waking up. So I'm just gonna power through my foundation before she actually like is waking up.
So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up.
Okay, so at this point, Sydney is definitely talking and awake. So I'm gonna slap on some concealer so that I can feel like I have some life in my face, and then get dressed and go get her. So of course, I always use Tarte Shape Tape. You guys, it is the absolute best at getting rid of my under eye bags. Like the best. Honestly, I am not always this tired. Mondays are my late nights, so I'm usually very, very exhausted on Tuesday morning. So this is like at the lowest of my mommy mornings is today.
Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I know what it's like to be broken. And I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm just gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down, cause I am on my way up.
It is 8:20. Sydney is now awake and asking for mommy, not crying. She's just happily awake. And I just got dressed, wearing some jeans, and I gotta make my bed later, but you know, can't do it all. Good morning. Good morning, love bug. Hi. Oh my goodness, look how many blankets you have. Silly. You guys, she got this blanket for her birthday from Copper Pearl. Well, not from Copper Pearl. The blanket is from Copper Pearl. Our friend, my friend got it for her. And it's freaking amazing. It's like her first official blanket, but she doesn't want to wear it. Like, she needs to wear it. And of course, you know, her blankie she's attached to. I can't even explain to you what a difference it makes to wake up before her. Even just a little bit. Like, can you imagine? I mean, obviously you can imagine, but right when I woke up and I was hitting snooze like 5 times and I didn't want to get out of bed, just greeting her with that and then going about my morning, it just sets me up for a long day and not very productive day. So, what? Mommy's shirt?
Good morning. Oh yeah, yawn. Oh yeah. Let's put night. You just woke up. Good morning. That's how I feel right now. Yeah, we don't have room for it, kiddo. Let's get you out of your jammies.
Monkey, what's the monkey?
You have your monkey.
I'll pick it.
Uh-oh.
Mommy's get it.
Mommy's get it. Boop. Boop. I love you. Sweetie.
Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop. It is my time. 'Cause I know what it's like to be broke.
Okay, so the little girl is up. I'm going to probably heat up my coffee because I didn't get to finish it. Get her situated with some milk. I still have some birthday stuff in the background. You know, I'm letting the balloons just go when they go because they're fun for Sydney. And then I've got her little letters here, but you guys will see that video hopefully Friday. Her birthday vlog. But yeah, I am feeling so awake right now, and it is 8:35 in the morning. And you guys, if I had just woken up, I don't think I would have done my makeup until maybe she napped, maybe not. Maybe I wouldn't have even done my makeup for the day. And it just makes such a difference. I can't even tell you. It makes such a difference. If you guys wake up for your child, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna get her some milk. I want to know, how many times a day do you think you warm up your coffee in the microwave? 3? Is 3 average? Because I feel like I do it 3 times. Oh goodness. Okay. So I've got to warm up with my coffee. I am gonna go, oh, my house is a little bit of a disaster. A little bit is an understatement. I'm gonna go put some deodorant on, brush my teeth after this coffee. Sometimes I cannot even brush my teeth before I get a drop of coffee in my soul. So I still use native deodorant, and this one happens to be what? Lavender and rose. I love the coconut vanilla one. It's the all natural. I've been using it since the summer and I still love it, just so you know. So one of the last things that I'll do today is put the Lumify drops in. I don't know if you guys have heard of these before, but holy cow, they make such a difference. They're like an eye whitener, brightener. They're freaking amazing. I'm gonna show you a shot of my eyes before and then after to see if you can, you know, see the difference. I will usually do it, I don't do it every single day, but like days where I'm extra tired or I wanna film or I have to work, like get out of the house, sometimes, you know, I'll try to do it. But yeah, I just put 1 drop in each eye and you guys will see the difference. Okay, and this is what my eyes look like after. But I highly recommend doing it before you put makeup on. I'm sure it's very dangerous to do it with mascara on. So don't do what I do. Obviously, every morning is going to look a little bit different, but this is my typical wake up before Sydney. But all I wanted to do was veg on the couch with a coffee and watch TV, and that's all I wanted to do. But I knew if I just push myself for like a half hour, I would feel so much better. So I hope you guys found some motivation and inspiration in this video. If you have not tried waking up before your child because you're just so exhausted, like try it a little bit. Let me know how you feel in the comments down below. I know a bunch of you in my last Moms Are People 2 video said that it's life-changing to wake up before your child. And I'm here to tell you it really is. I mean, to get that initial like, okay, motivation to get out of bed and actually like do something is really hard for me personally. I am a sleeper. I am not a morning person. So it's hard for me. Guys, so that is gonna do it for my mommy self-care morning routine, running on 4.5 hours of sleep, but still waking up before my child and taking care of myself. I hope you enjoyed the realness of this video. It wasn't doctored, of course. Like I could have woken up a little bit, fixed my hair, pretended that I woke up, you know, like that and all of the above, but I wanted to keep it as real as possible because I know not everyone wakes up with beautiful lashes, eyebrows, and their hair looking perfect. So this is real mom life in my situation. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I do a new Moms Are People 2 video every Wednesday and a couple of like daily in the life vlogs throughout the week and lifestyle, all kinds of things. Follow me on Instagram. I am posting a lot more frequently on Instagram and I do stories all the time. So I would love to have you a part of my family and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
This is Gideon. Gideon is a small, ruddy gosling. This is Otto. Otto is Gideon's favorite friend.
I know what it's like when nothing goes your way, so I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day.